decided to shoot 2 videos in one day. I just showed y'all, well, I don't know when I'm gonna upload them, but I just shot the 1075 video. This box right here was an 850. So while I'm here, I figured I might as well shoot both of them. Getting these boxes from Soul Supremacy, seems like I'm still get that question a ton, even though it's in the title, the description, all that. The boxes come from Soul Supremacy. Just a mystery box. Nothing more, nothing less, just a mystery box full of kicks. They build them up for us so we can buy them, flip them, make profit, and all of that cool stuff. Y'all already know how I get down. I'm just a open and go type of guy. I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. 850. No loose pair in this box that I can see from the top. Let's get this old Jordan box out the way. Size 10, Air Jordan 13. Wow, that's how y'all coming from the jump. Man, playoff 13s, this is a grail shoe for me. These are dope. These are one of the pairs, when I first moved to Oklahoma, I seen 12s. And then of course 13s came out. This was one of the first shoes I fell in love with. These are fire. Very, very dope. Very, very dope. These are pre-owned, size 10. I've had these so many times doing this beater box stuff for a few years, but every time I see them, it's still like a breath of fresh air. These are dope. Never gonna play out in my opinion. With the original box, still in good shape. Size 11 and a half. Black cat. Perforated black cats. Size 11 and a half on these. These shoes had got so much hate when they came out. What is Jordan brand doing? That's all you see online. Size 11 and a half on the black cats. 6 is one of my favorite models. A lot of people's favorite models. I ain't gonna say that. Well, 6s are one of my favorite models, but I don't know how I feel about perforated 6s. Size 11 and a half on these. Dang, I'm excited about them 13s. I got 2 of these, 11 and a half. Size 12s. Size 11 and a half, Jordan 12s. You guys probably already tell from the box what they are. Reverse taxis. Are these the reverse taxis? Maybe I'm tripping. I don't know. These are pre-owned. Check these out. Size 11 and a half. They look smaller than that, but the tag says 11 and a half. I'm gonna show y'all both of them. Kind of got that neoprene upper. Not bad, just simple black and white 12. Just a simple black and white 12. I only got 3 more boxes, so this box is pretty small. Again, same thing, 11 and a half, Jordan 12. Winterized or wool 12s. Wool 12s, make sure, yep, these are 11 and a half. I don't know how I feel about the wools. I like the 3s actually. The wool 3s wasn't bad to me. What, 12s? I don't know. Check those out. These are pre-owned. I say they're in fair shape, not bad. Got some sock liner in there. I don't know why these look smaller to me than 11 and a half. Maybe because I just pulled out some 11 and a half and they look a lot bigger. 2 boxes left. This video is gonna be short. 11 and a half again. So everything we pulled out has been 11 and a half size to play out. It's better than what we've been getting. All right, we got some maroon 6s. Not dead stock. Could probably get a good little cleaning before I let these go. Slept on shoe. Nike Air on the back. These were slept on, and the prices start skyrocketing on them. But man, this very, very clean colorway to me. Maroon, kind of with that off-white color upper. Man, these are dope. Still got the lace locks with them. Maroon 6s. Can't go wrong with these. These are fire. We'll probably be dropping these off to get that good old detail work. It might be something I can handle myself. But I'm not mad at that. We got one box left. And this looking like a 13 box, if I ain't mistaken. Size 11.5. Jordan 13. Another dope shoe. Cherry 13s. Pretty good shape. Not bad. About the same condition as the 6s. Could use a good little cleaning. This is also one of those, one of my favorites. Cherry 13s. Boom, check these out. Had these a few times. Yeah, this is the only pair. I thought I had another one in stock. I just sold a pair of these, probably within the last 2 weeks. But still even got the plastic on the hologram on both of them. So I'm not mad at that. Very good to see these old shoes and come in. I like seeing these bring back good old memories. That was the 850 box. Man, as soon as I decided to start shooting some videos, I haven't been pulling nothing crazy. I should have shot the little $1,500 box I got. But they just come in and I just post them online or whatever and get them gone. But glad I had some time today, shoot 2 videos. Make sure you follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE and TGOTSOLE for sale. Hit me up if you see anything in these videos that y'all want. And if it's posted on the for sale page, it's still available. Some stuff that's old on there, so you can go on there. Whatever you see in your size that's on that page is still available. A lot of stuff been going out through eBay. Even though they charging fees again, eBay was free for the longest. Anything over like $100, you didn't have to pay fees on. So we're selling a ton of stuff on there. And just local love is always appreciated. All the sneaker groups on Facebook, all that stuff, man. I appreciate each and every one of y'all who be helping me out. And you know, that's why I be trying to throw y'all some deals. So if you see anything in the video, hit me up on Instagram. Tell me you watched the video, and I'll probably throw you free shipping at least, plus something else. So I think that's gonna do it. Make sure y'all hit that sub button. I'm out. Peace.